practice it again?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What is Dad doing?
Making gingerbread house.
What's he holding?
Those real things.
The windows.
Windows.
Can't you tell?
Yeah. The windows.
What are you making?
The gingerbread house with my daddy.
A gingerbread house of your daddy? What does it look like?
Yes, we're not done.
Oh, what's it gonna look like?
The same picture as this.
More or less.
It's gonna look just like that.
Yeah.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, and we're gonna make the sugar.
I'm waiting to see. Good luck with that.